We both have MT-125s. We're going on a trip because he got his new exhaust and we're gonna take some wrong shots and ride-bys. So we're gonna take some wrong shots and drive-bys with this new exhaust. We're probably gonna switch rides so I can get some onboard shot. That is pretty much exactly as fast as I am. And it's not any faster, that much I can tell you. I probably can't overtake him. He's going full throttle, yeah. Can't hear anything. Both of our bikes are too loud. Oh, it's been too long since I've ridden. 2 days. Oh, I missed this. It's way too long since I've ridden with the boots on. Oh man. Oh man, it is so nice here. Here we go. A test ride with practically the same bike with just ABS and a different exhaust. Ooh. Oh man, that feeling. Man, that feels good. Oh, the clutches. Okay, I want one. I really want one. Oh my god, that's so nice. But if you're really on just a hair on throttle, it doesn't make that much noise. It's actually very rideable. You know, I'm doing 60 and it's not that bad. When you down to twice and get to 7,000, it starts downshifts are absolutely magnificent. That's just... There's nothing I enjoy more than downshifts on this bike. Oh my god, that sound. Oh, that feels good. Now we're gonna go back. Theoretically, I'd say it could get a little annoying if you're doing any longer distance trips, but honestly, I wouldn't do any longer distance trip on a 125. Sound is... It's deep down low, but it's really sharp up high on the rev range. It's a bit like mine, except mine's a lot quieter down low, but when I get up, it starts to get a little aggressive. You know, these kind of bikes are really rev happy because they're so small. Actually, this is kind of trippy. Our both of our bikes' sound waves are getting mixed up, and they do produce weird results. I keep hearing very odd sound patterns. But the sound, that is nice. That is just unbeatable, honestly.